I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money for simply creating a logo for someone. Now, if you don't have any experience on how to create a logo, that's absolutely fine, because this video is going to show you a shortcut where you can get a logo easily made for you and you can actually make the money. Absolutely legal. Everything is perfect for you to do. There are no issues with this. This is absolutely free. This is an opportunity that you can take from wherever you are in the world. If it's in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, wherever you are, it doesn't matter the continent, Africa, Europe, Asia, America, South America, Australia, it doesn't matter. You can get access to this opportunity. And the great thing is that you can actually do this on your phone if you don't want to do this on your laptop or your computer. And you must know that this is absolutely free. Don't worry about spending any money to do this. You don't need to spend anything to do this. All you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain to you exactly how it works. I'm going to explain to you what you need to do. So don't skip the video because you feel like you have seen the website and you want to try it out by yourself, because I'm going to show you the shortcut that you need to take for you to actually make the money, because you know that everybody wants to make money. So I'm going to give you the shortcut that can help you to make money very, very quickly. If you don't want to waste time, just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, before I show you this method, please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click that red button, subscribe, and I would really appreciate that. And please turn on the post notification bell, that bell right there. Just click that notification bell so that anytime I have a new video, you're going to get a notification. So the website we're going to go on to is Conquer. It's conquer.io. You might have heard of Conquer, but if not, Conquer is a platform where people are making money. Now, what I want you to do, I would like you to see over here, it says find services. I want you to type in logo. Just type in logo and enter. Now, when you type in logo, you're going to see that people are actually providing their service to say that they'll create a logo for $20, publish a post on a 5 high quality blah blah blah, $95. Peter's logo design, $5. Logo design for only $5, €5, good quality, so it's $5 over here. So you can see that all kinds of people are actually advertising the fact that they can provide a logo for you, for your business, for your company, for your YouTube channel, for whatever, and they are charging different prices. As you can see, $20, $5, $14, $5, $5, $95, $20. It's all about actually creating a logo. And this is absolutely easy to do because they're actually using a very easy shortcut that I'm going to show you right now. What you want to do is you want to go on a website called freelogodesign.com. When you type in freelogodesign.com, it's going to take you over here, and you can see that it's very simple. All you need to do is that you want to find out what is the name of the company of the person, which is something you would interrogate the customer. The customer will tell you that, hey, my company is, for example, AD Money. So what you want to do is you want to type in AD Money, and then depending on the category of their business, if their business is in agriculture or animals and pets, architectural, automotive and vehicles, business and consulting, children and childcare, cleaning and maintenance, communications, dating, education, depending on what exactly the company's industry is. So you want to click on search, get started over here. Click on get started. So when you click on get started, they are actually going to provide you with a list of all possible designs for your company, all possible logos based on the term that you've given them, which is in our case AD Money. So we have this AD Money, this design, AD Money. If we want to use this logo, AD Money, AD Money. As you can see over here, AD Money over here. Then we can go on to the next page and see what they have. Okay, we have there some AD Money here. If it's a dog company, if AD Money here, AD Money over here, AD Money over here, AD Money is over here. As you can see, different logos with AD Money, all because that is the company name that we decided to insert. So depending on whatever company name they give you, you just want to type that in. So it's very simple. As you can see, different kinds of logos that you can use. AD Money, check this, AD Money over here, AD Money. Awesome kind of logos, and they're very cool. They actually look very professional. And these are actually logos that you can actually use for yourself. So this is the beauty about this website. You can actually use it. You can customize it based on how you want it to look. AD Money over here, AD Money. So you get the picture of what I'm trying to tell you. So basically, you can just take, for example, let's take, for example, this looks pretty awesome. So you would like to click on that, and you can then choose to, edit it, as we can see over here. Company name. So if your company name is AD, okay, maybe it's AD Money. We have that over here. You can make it big. You can resize this icon over here that they've decided to choose. So you get the picture about this whole thing. This is really easy to do, and this is exactly what they're doing on Conquer. They're just going to advertise to say that, hey, I can provide you with a nice logo. I'm going to charge you $20. I'm going to charge you $5. Like this guy's saying, 2 awesome killer HD logos, $20. So let's click on this advertiser who's saying that he can actually do this for $20, and he's just giving you a brief of what he can do. And it's not really professional here. You can make something really awesome by using this website, which is Free Logo Designs. As you can see, I've shown you, it's absolutely awesome to do. It's really awesome. You don't really have to have any experience about graphic design and all that jazz. This is just something that can help you straightforward, that can do the thing immediately for you. So let's take for example if your company is called Houses Deluxe. So Houses Deluxe, and let's say for example it's in the department of, what should we put in, agriculture, no, architectural, or what, no, real estate. Yeah, real estate. That's perfect. So we want to get started. So we have a company called Houses Deluxe, and we chose the department of real estate because real estate has to do with houses. So let's see what they are going to give us. Ooh, this looks very nice. Houses Deluxe. Check this one. You can see a nice house in a key. Houses Deluxe. It's just perfect. I mean, like, what else do you need? What else do you want? Like, for example, we have this. Let's click on that, and let's see what we can do. This looks really, really awesome, guys, and really you can just adjust everything based on how you want it to look. You can decide to make this bigger, whatever you want to do. So you get the picture about what I'm talking about. Now, this first website is called Free Logo Designs. Now, the second one you can use is called luca.com. So it's luca.com. Very easy. Basically, it's the same kind of idea in cooperation with Google, HuffPost, Forbes, The Globe, and Mail. As you can see, it's a big deal because a lot of people are actually using this. For example, we put in our company name again. Let's put in AD Money. Okay, so we just put in AD Money and we want to see what on earth are they going to give us. Okay, they just want to know the industry. Let's just say the industry is fitness. Okay, we have fitness. Then they're going to say pick 5 or more logos you like, so that they can get more or less of an idea of what exactly you're looking into. So we're going to pick 5, 3, okay, 4 and 5. This one looks nice. Okay, so you're gonna give them 5, and now it says what colors do you like. So we're gonna give them a gist of colors that we might enjoy. So that's that. Tell us about yourself, add a slogan. So if it's a fitness company, maybe you say keeping active is key. What kind of symbols do you want? Gym, fitness, exercise, running, shoes, sports, athletic. Okay. What else do they want from us now? Okay, we're generating some designs for you. So you're going to give them a few seconds so that they can show us what they have come up with. Now look at this. Okay. Okay. Very simple but quite attractive. I mean, it's very simple but it stands out. I mean, you could do well with something like this. This looks nice. Okay, remember you need to register, which is absolutely free. Don't worry about that. Just sign up, full name, email, password. Don't worry about paying any money to register or anything like that. So you get the idea. Basically, at the end of the day, what you want to do is when you're on Conquer, there are 5 questions you would like to ask your client. What is the name of your company? In which industry is your company? What else? What are your 3 preferred colors? Would you like any slogan and any preferred symbol? So you use these 5 to just give them an idea of what exactly they should be telling you so that you can actually help them to get exactly what they're looking for. So that's about it. Very easy to do, very straightforward. Remember, the first website is Conquer. You just want to sign up. I already have an account, so you want to sign up absolutely free. The second one is Free Logo Designs. Remember, you can get everything on Free Logo Designs and you can get it on luca.com. So that's all I wanted to show you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you. Use this as much as you can. Make logos for people. Tell people you make a logo for them. Check out the prices that people are charging. Maybe they're doing it for $20. This guy says $20. Maybe you want to do 15, 10, so that people will rather choose you instead of this guy. So just figure out what is really happening with people's prices and just price a little lower, and then you will make a lot of money every single day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the AD Money channel. Turn on the post notifications so that anytime I have a new video, you are going to get a notification. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Cheers.